Let's refresh my wash and go with me. As you can see, my hair is in big twists from last night. These are the products that I currently have in my hair. Today we'll be using a spray bottle and the unbrush tool to revive my hair. Now for this process, you want to make sure your entire hair is damp. Here you can see me untwisting each hair strand section by section, using my fingers first, water, and then brushing. I do apply a little bit of product here and there for different parts of my hair that need it. Now this side of my hair is what I call the lower porosity side of my hair. This side takes longer to absorb moisture, believe it or not. So I start off with my left side first, and I just repeat the process, making sure that I'm working my hands through each strand. And now we are on my higher porosity side. Overall, my hair takes well to moisture, but I have to still section the hair and just work through it using the same method. Now, this takes about a good half hour to an hour, depending on how much time I have in the morning before work. And there we go. It's finally almost dry. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Style Factor edge control. Want to make sure those edges are nice. Okay, there we go. This is so satisfying. And we're gonna use a wide tooth comb to pick, and we are finished and ready to head on out. Follow your favorite girl on YouTube for more hair tutorials at the UGMNK.